me. Okay, so I want to go here. I'm on page 6. Let's call this 6A. A bond is a certificate of debt from the issuer, say the government, to the bondholder. The bond promises a sequence of payments and promises the investor a yield rate J per coupon period. We should think of a bond as an amortized loan. The bondholder buys the bond, therefore lending the bank money, and the bank repays the loan by making coupon payments to the bondholder and also a balloon payment of C. I don't want to say balloon payment. And also an additional payment of C. The balloon payment is the sum of them. Balloon payment equals C plus coupon. So now it's called book value. The book value, B of T, is the balance of the debt at the time T immediately after any coupon payments paid at time T. So that's important. After any coupon payments. And promises the investor, blah, blah, we did that. Let's see. Paid at time T, i.e. the present value of all the future coupon payments plus the present value of the redemption. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is this B of T. It's talking about book value, right? What was the formula for B of T in the case of loans? What did it used to be? Hello? OLBT, what was it before? Yeah.
OLBT minus 1 times I.
Okay. You're not finished, right? BT is equal to BT minus 1 plus I minus R of T. I had that formula, but I had another very clear formula for OLB at some time T. How much do you owe at time T on this loan? How do you find that? Listen, if you are here at time T, how many payments do you have left? I have a 10-year loan. I'm standing at time 3. How many payments do 10 minus 3? 7? Okay, is that N minus T? Well, let's say annual loan, your annual payments, right? So N minus T payments left. This will be a good review for your loans. N minus T payments left, and therefore B of T is equal to Q A angle N minus T I. Do you remember this formula? Yes or no? Q is the level payment. This is the present value of an annuity which pays Q N minus T times at interest rate I. Okay, so now I ask you, what do you think is the book value of this bond in a similar vein? BT, go. We used to call this OLBT, right? Now we call it BT for book value at time T. What do you think? Give me something retrospective, give me something prospective, but give me something. Give me something to work with here. How about we start with retrospective? Okay? Retrospective. Meaning, look back, see what's been paid. Can you help? What was retrospective here? Maybe this will help you. What was retrospective in the case of the loan? This one is prospective, obviously. But what was retrospective in the case of the loan?
The loan amount,
Mm-hmm.
accumulated value of payments.
1 plus I to the t. I better accumulate the loan first, right?
Right.
L times 1 plus I to the t minus what? Accumulated value of payments already made. So Q S angle T at some interest rate I. Agree? Now do the same thing on the other side for me. Can you do it? What's already paid, guys?
Price.
Yep. Price P 1 plus J to the T minus coupon payments already made. Can you help me? What is the coupon payment? FR equals CG equals GJ, right? All different ways of saying coupon payment. S angle T. Interest rate J. Do you understand that? This is retrospective. Unfortunately, retrospective is not used that much. Now we do prospective. What's left to be paid? What is left to be paid? Can I draw a timeline? Would that help you? Here. I'm standing at time t. This coupon FR has already been made. So I'm here actually, okay? Right here at time t.
You can pull paper up.
Thanks. Here's time n. All these FRs are left to be made. And who else is left? What other payment is left to be made?
C.
Right. FR and C at the end, correct? That's a balloon payment. So what I want you to do is give me an expression, prospective, for B of t. Go.
Angle N minus T
FR A angle N minus T J.
plus C B to the N minus T.
VJ to the N minus T. Exactly right. Prospective. Looking forward. Does this make sense to you or no? Okay. So let's continue on that page 6. I of t. Let's talk about I of t. What did it used to be? I of t used to be what? Remember the amortization schedule had a column named I, the interest paid at time t? What was the formula for that? How did I used to find capital I of t before? Yes. I OLB what?
Of T minus 1.
Right. I OLB t minus 1. So now what do you think I of t is going to be? I'm trying to show you that what you know already will carry forward here, right? So help me. Just make the transition. What will it be here? J. It's not I anymore, it's J. And B, t minus 1. So no difference there. But I have some complicated formula here that I have to play with. So B of t for price on my bond amortization side is equal to, well, before that I have to, let me write something before that. Price is equal to C G minus J A angle NJ plus C. What is the name of this formula? Where am I pulling this formula out of?
Premium discount.
Premium discount. Remember, if you bring this C to the other side, you get the amount of the premium. So this is premium discount. Using the same formula, I could say B of T. Remember, price is just B of 0, right? So B of T, I can write similarly C G minus J A angle N minus T J plus C. Meaning if I'm standing at T, I have N minus T payments left. So just like you had N payments left here, now you have N minus T payments left. And B of T minus 1 is equal to C G minus J A angle N plus 1 minus T. Because it's like this, right? N minus T minus 1, so it becomes N plus 1 minus T, J plus C. Isn't I of T on the left side also equal to BT minus 1 minus BT? No, that's P of T. Isn't P of T equal to BT minus 1 minus B of T? I could do the same thing on the right side. P of T here is equal to BT minus 1 minus B of T. Let's plug in these two formulas that we have here. Can we do? C G minus J A angle N plus 1 minus T J plus C minus B of T, which is C G minus J A angle N minus T J minus C. I distributed the minus sign already, so these are gone. And I get C G minus J A angle N plus 1 minus TJ minus A angle N minus TJ. So if you could tell me what the bracket represents, that would be great. Let me explain. You see this first term right here? A angle N plus 1 minus TJ? That's an annuity with how many payments? N plus 1 minus T payments. This one is an annuity with payments of this, CG minus J. How many payments? N minus T payments. So this guy has one more payment than this guy. What is the amount of that payment? CG minus J. Are you following me? So we're only talking about this one payment of CG minus J at time N plus 1 minus T. And I want its present value, right? So the present value of this one payment would be obtained by multiplying by V to that power. Isn't that how we discount any payment? So here I have one payment, CG minus J, and I want its present value. Just discount it. So when I discount it, I get CG minus J V to that power, N plus 1 minus T. And that is equal to P of T. Everybody with me? That shouldn't surprise you. You know why? Because what used to be the C of T formula in the old days.